Hello, good day. My name is David Atega, and I'm currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science in Environmental Science. And my journey in this field is driven by a deep-seated commitment to understanding the delicate balance between human activity and natural ecosystems. And this commitment began early, even while I'm completing my grade 12 studies, and I gained valuable professional exposure working at KB Staples, where I first developed the work ethic and adaptability required to thrive in a professional environment. Since then, I have transitioned that discipline into my academic and field-based pursuits, maintaining a record of consistent academic excellence as an honor student from elementary through senior high school. My academic journey has been defined by hands-on engagement, and one of my most significant experiences was participating in a specialized training workshop which focused on the macaque conservation in Sumili. And during this project, I was on the front lines of community-based research, conducting interviews with local residents to document their experiences and interactions with macaques. And this role not only technical knowledge of conservation, but also the interpersonal skills to gather qualitative data from a variety of perspectives. And this experience was further bolstered by my participation in the Student Faculty Mathematical and Statistical Conference, where I refined my ability to analyze the data necessary for effective environmental planning. And beyond the field and the classroom, I bring a unique background in communication, serving as a student journalist from grade 9 to grade 10, and it taught me how to distill complex information into clear, impactful stories, a skill I believe is essential for any scientist who wishes to advocate from the environment. And whether I'm analyzing statistical data or speaking with community members in a local barangay, my goal remains the same, and that goal is to bridge the gap between scientific research and practical sustainable conservation. And right now, I am now eager to bring this and blend of academic rigor, field experience, and communication skill to a professional setting where I can contribute to meaningful environmental solutions. That's all. Thank you.